We're back at the dam. Oh yeah, back at the dam again. Flying the helicopter. Yeah. I forget. It's hard to see the faces here, so I just don't know. Guess I've already said the names of everybody who's on it. Most everybody. Yeah, let's zoom in here and see what. I guess I'm over in the other. Well, where am I? I must be out in the boat. My dad came by and I think we went out in the boat and got these pictures. No, that's me. Well, I guess my dad had, that's right, my dad had the movie camera this day. Okay. My dad came up and he took the movie camera out in the boat. That's why I'm on the iron. But that's straightened out. Well, things are coming apart again. Let's slow it down. Things are coming apart. Still we can see who's who here. I think I got the camera up in the iron now. Yep, I must. Oh yeah. Things are falling apart again. Now how's that for a helicopter right in your face? It always bothered me a little bit. That guy would lose a little control. Come on boys, put it right in there. Look at them get over. There's a bunch of good ironworkers. There he is, just staring eyeball to eyeball at that helicopter pilot. Them blades are whipping around about 50 feet in front of your eyes. Hold it there. That's what that means. That means hold it there. Whoop. Got my hand in the way. Get up. That means get up. Get up and out of there. They've got it cut loose. Yeah, we had him bouncing around like a yo-yo that day we hooked him up to that load. It was tied down. He let us know about it. I don't know what this is. Looks like we're back home. I guess I'm home. Took a shot or two of the kids looking at the sky. I don't know. Let me see. Yep, that's Paula and Cheri. Bye-bye, Paula. Bye-bye, Paula. There's my old car.